In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification for your YouTube channel on a mobile phone. Let's get started. Open the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Tap Earn in the bottom navigation bar. Scroll down until you see the two-step verification. Turn on button, then tap it. Enter your email address and password, then tap Next. Add your phone number and tap Next. Enter the verification code sent to your phone and tap the Verify button. Once verified, tap Done. Go back to the YouTube Studio and refresh the Earn page. That's it, you successfully enabled two-step verification for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.